3 new filings today with institutions. We've got 2 of them with new positions, right? Green rows are new positions, red rows are closed positions, yada, yada, right? So we got 30K shares, 33K shares added by these guys. I wouldn't get too excited, not only because it's less than, it's around 100,000 shares. Nothing crazy. I mean, that's a lot of money, but it's not much for institutional ownership. Plus, extended equity market index fund. That's not what we want. We want institutions that are trying to beat the market investing in Bionano, not the total market funds that have to invest in every single stock equally or roughly equally, right? But nonetheless, right? Come on, we'll take it, right? I'm not trying to be a pessimist here, all right? It's still great news. And if we look up here, 30K shares added. I guess that's, well, okay. Yes, it is indicative of adding, because how could they have, okay, if this is their first time investing in the company, since, they had a closed position before this, then they opened a position because this is green, right? So it must be adding all these shares, right? We can assume. Advanced Series Trust, AST World Trends Portfolio, right? They're investing 30K shares. So this is great news. And if we look up at the actual percentage change, right, it's not substantial. I mean, it is technically. It's a 0.01% increase, which doesn't sound like, it sounds like a joke, but it's actually, that is substantial when you consider 278 million shares outstanding. We're talking about a more than $1 billion market cap, and we were also talking about several millions, hundreds of millions of dollars on the line, and we're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars invested in the stock with 30K shares. So how much of a big deal is this, right? Well, we actually looked. I'm gonna get FinTel Premium actually today, but while I was shooting this video, right, I don't have it, but I was able to look. One of our kind friends on the Discord was kind enough to send us the track record / history of one of these indexes. I forgot which one it was. I think it was this one. But anyways, we just saw they're just consecutively getting more shares. And this one is not the best example, right? Because it's extended market index fund. It's like, well, do they really choose which stocks they're going to get? I'm not sure. I don't know the history of that institution. I guess we could do the digging, but is it worth it for 30K shares? Not really. Once we get FinTel Premium, we're going to be looking at the big boys, the Citadels, the Jane Street, the ones that have millions of shares, right? These are the institutions, and hundreds of thousands, I guess, as well, and the smaller ones as well. We're going to see how much their portfolio changed over time. Are they getting more? Are they getting less, right? That's what the FinTel Premium FinTel, that's what it's actually going to be able to tell us. And along with a lot of other things, right? We get access to all of these bars, and we do get access to a ton of stuff. Even, is there information down here as well? Okay, no, I guess not on this one. But on the short interest, we do get a ton of information on the short interest as well. So that's going to be interesting. So we're getting that very soon. Anyways, there's a ton of other news today for Bionano. We got global SAPHYR adoption. I say global every time. China SAPHYR adoption. We've got China SAPHYR adoption. We've got the presentation news that we're going to sum up as well later, along with obviously a very good day, my friends. So anyways, this is not financial advice. Thank you all so much. I will see you all in the next one.